Well, Gracie was watching the nursery, but now she's enjoying an afternoon nap with Bill. She actually is company. Well, I get it when they say having a pet is good for seniors. And so many of the people I used to hang out with, well, they're either gone from the planet or Gracie, she's one darn good cat. Didn't cause a lot of problems. Hardly causes any problems, actually. She seems to fix them. Yeah, she's our fixer, not a wrecker. But I understand, why it is, especially, as people, I'm fully ambulatory. I got no problems getting around, but, some people, as they get old, they get wheelchair bound, or, they just can't move like they used to. And maybe they can't see well enough to drive anymore, and et cetera, et cetera. I can see how having a good pet can really matter for their emotional health. Are you falling asleep? You silly. You're not listening to me, are you? Mm-mm. You got your eye open. I know you're looking at me.